Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some fall outfits, and today our special guest is this beautiful glasses from these glasses are just perfect and they go with almost every single outfit. And I love on the side here there's gold, so cute, and I chose this a simple black and gold one. I really wanted it to go with most of my outfits. It's so cute, it makes you look chic and expensive, and watch how I style it with all these outfits in this video. When I was on the website they had so many different styles. There's definitely enough styles for you to pick the one you love. They're very affordable as well, and I did like that you could put prescriptions in it. Definitely check out the website.